Hello, today is Friday, the 19th day of September 2014. Quick silver chart analysis. For this weekend, I'll go over more in depth to these charts. Take a look at more time frames today, just the daily chart as well. Take a look at gold as well. But down 3 2/3%, very much a large down day as we continue with the failed move. Fast move lower. Oh, there's even this failed breakout. Fast move downside. In play once again, a touch of the lower band, which is now set in at 1768. Today's low at 1786, so pretty much has hit it today. You come up to this level, and more likely than not, you would expect some sort of a bounce, but that just means that this 18.5 level that was support is now going to be a level where you would expect some resistance. Further downside, breaking really down below 1750. Things could go down pretty wild. But we're in a situation over this year where volatility has been very, very low. Of course, it could pick up at any time. Still low nonetheless, which is, well, I'm going to review the odds of silver. At the end of last year, I made a whole bunch of what would be like casino or bookie kind of odds, which I was taking no wagers on. It's all for entertainment, educational purposes for how silver would do this year in 2014. So let's take a look at it with a little over 3 months to go in the year. What I did was I put some over-under for where price action would go. Over-under on the highest price I set at $26.15. Currently the highest price so far is $22.18. Thus, it looks as if this price is going to go well under the total. Lowest price I set in at about $16. Today the lowest price is $17.86. Still up for grabs, but it should go over the total. We'll wait and see. Closing price $21.55. Looks like we have a down year. Thus, under the total. Volatility, 64% almost, I thought was a good median. Well, 24.2% thus far. Very much unvolatile, thus under the total looks to be the winner. Put a bunch of yes or no's. I'll quickly explain these odds. When you have negatives like minus 170, you're laying 170 to win 100 profit. When you have levels like plus 150, you would lay 100 to win 150 profit. It very well could work that no is the correct answer in every single one of these, for the price has not seen 25 or 30, 40, or 50 or 100. 17, well, it still can, but it hasn't yet. 14 and 10, it should not. And again in 2014, although I had it as a decent favorite, it's probably going to be a losing year. Largest move in a 24-hour period. Up move, 5.15%. Down move, -7%. Well, the largest up move in 24 period happened here. It wasn't 5%. It was closer to like 4%. And it's looking as if this might be the biggest down move in a 24 period now, but it's nowhere near 7. Again, the volatility has been very low. Both of them are looking to go under the total, but there's no guarantee on that with 3 months to go. The largest monthly gain will occur in the first 3 months or in July. The answer was no. Because right now, June is in the lead. There's only been 2 up months so far, but June is the biggest so far. Thus, the no is the winner. The largest monthly loss will occur in either the months of April, May, or June. Well, right now, February is in the lead, and, well, September is pretty close now at 7%. So again, the no will be the winner on this one. Number of months with positive gain out of 12. Well, coming into the month of September, there's been 2 up months and 6 down months. So, under. Not a good year as far as price action is concerned. Largest monthly volatility, 27.215%. The volatility this year has been extremely low. So far, it is in at approximately 15%. Smallest volatility, I said at 9.15% over under, 7%. The under is the winner. Fibonacci calculation, probably going to be under that. I'm not going to go over this one right now. This was a weird prop bet, and because the Denver Broncos only scored 8 points in the Super Bowl, this bet is going to win, because as long as silver stays above $3.68, it will. It's probably a confusing bet for 90+% of you, but 10% will understand this one. Number of silver eagles sold by the U.S. Mint, and I was talking a few months ago how this has been dropping so much. It does not look as if there's much of a chance it's going to get to this. It seems as well over 90% that this will go under the total. Dollar will collapse in 2014. I said it was favored to be no. It's looking as if it will not. But I said it in a video earlier today that you take a deck of cards, you can predict the card is 152, you're going to predict it right. But if you do it a bunch of times, at one point, it's going to be, you're going to get it right. Well, the chances that the dollar doesn't collapse, say, this century is almost the chances of winning the lottery, which is, again, something I talk about in today's video, but not good. It just doesn't look as if it's going to happen in 2014, nor do I expect it to happen in 2015 either. And I will do another one of these type of odds at the end of December. So again, just a quick little video for today. More in-depth analysis. I'll throw the daily, the weekly, the monthly chart for silver, as well as multiple time frame analysis for gold as well, either Saturday or Sunday. So thank you for tuning in to this video, and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.